Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the double crochet pattern. This is a very fundamental crochet stitch. It's used in a lot of projects, as much as you would use a single crochet or a half double crochet. This pattern is very versatile. You can use it in blankets, shawls, sweaters, hats, scarves, and dishcloths, and lots more. There are a lot of variation to this double crochet stitch that exists: granny squares, V-stitches, and shell stitch, just to mention a few. Let me show you the basics. Today I'm going to be using a 4mm crochet hook and a medium yarn weight, number 4. We start with our slip knot. For the foundation chain, you can use as many chains as you want, so I'm going to be using 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is my foundation chain. This is the front part. This is the back side, and I'm going to be working with the back loops. Yarn over. You're going to go into the 4th loop from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. So into the back loop. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, you're going to go into the next back bump. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through 2. And you continue. Yarn over into the next back bump. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over into the back bump. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you continue like this till the end of your row. So this is how it looks like when your row is done. Now we do the same thing for the next row. You're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn. For this pattern, this chain 3 will count as a double crochet. The next stitch that you're going to go into is not this one, but this one right here, just next to it. Yarn over in your stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you continue. Yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you do this till the end of your row. And this is 2 rows completed. I have a little side note to show you, or to explain about this chain 3. Now in this case, I did tell you that this was going to count as a double crochet. It depends on the pattern. Some pattern they will count some pattern, it will not count as a double crochet. You need to follow the instructions that the author gives you, and they will tell you when it does not count, you will start your stitch in this first stitch. When the author says it does count, you have to start your stitch in the next one. Does not count, you start here. Does count, you start here. It will make sense as you practice more and more and you use different kinds of patterns. Once you're done, you should have something that looks like this. This is the double crochet pattern stitch. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video.